In this video, I'll show you how to fix Peacock streaming issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection with at least 10 Mbps speed. Restart your router or modem if needed. Step 2. Restart the Peacock app. Close the Peacock app completely and reopen it. This can resolve temporarily glitches in the app. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Go to your device settings and locate the Peacock app. Clear the app's cache and data to remove corrupted files. And then I have some additional tips especially for you. Ensure your device is updated to the latest software version. Now, if issues persist, uninstall and reinstall the Peacock app. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and leave any more comments you have down below.